here in Manila Ocean Park Hotel H2O Hotel in the Philippines.
Aqua
Aqua
Deluxe Room.
Aqua Deluxe Room. And here we have a painting up here. And
This
here,
is-
and here we have the toilet and the bathroom.
Wait.
The bathroom looks so futuristic.
No.
Not that
So normal.
futuristic.
A normal bathroom. There's soap and shower gel. There's soap.
It's new for us in the Philippines.
No, it's not.
And here,
And there's a big mirror here.
and then here we have
They
another
have
giant painting.
they have towels and slippers and bathrobe. And
And we have the bedroom, technically the living room too. We have another giant painting, a big bed, and
a sofa bed. And we have an aquarium.
in our room.
Where's the fish? Wala namang fish.
Shout out to Salome, fish.
Saan?
There is.
Where? I cannot see.
There.
Ay, this
Ayan,
one.
oo.
Snake fish? Snake fish ba yan? Fish ba yan? Ayun, nakutatago. Ayun. Yun na. Yun na, nagtatago siya.
And there's a lot of corals too. Look.
Aqua Deluxe Room.
Corals.
They have coffee. They have sugar, creamer, kettle.
They don't have internet.
Nagugutom na raw tong anak mo.
This is the third floor. Third floor. Ayun pa, meron pang ano, oh. May something dun, oh. Pang kids. Ayun, oh. Ano mo? Wala naman laruan. Bukas.
Pag-check out na ako dito tayo.
Ano naman toys, eh. Check if there's toys. Pwede. Perfect. O, bukas. Gym. Wow, bukas na lang pag nakatulog ako. Wow. Flat. Flat pull down. Oh my goodness. Sige. Walang kalaban.
Umiikot pa ganun. Pwede pala sila nana dito na dumaan mamaya. Hindi na iikot doon sa kabila. Kasi yun yung elevator eh.
Okay. Wow.
Nandito yung elevator eh. Ayun yung section mo.
And this is the view of the gym. Wow. Wow.
One.
3311. Ah. Isa lang.
Iwan nila yung
Open it. Room tour. Anong room to? Bay. This is Bay.
Prestige Bay.
Prestige Bay. Wow, let's look at their bathroom. Okay, their vanity kits. Normal bathroom. Big bidet. Okay. And wow. Wow. Ganda naman ng view. Ganda dito sa umaga. Good. They have TV. They have water dispenser. Toroy. Ganda.
And this is the best part.
And this is the best part. My best part.
Kaya i-open.
Suka maingay. Wow! They have bathtub.
Uy, ang ganda naman ito. Sino ba itong girl na ito? Uy, ang ganda naman ito. Pinita ko yung na.
Nag-baby na.
Ano?
Ayun na, ayun ang dami pero. Good morning. Thank you, Maman, for the treat. Thank you. Happy birthday, Akeo. Oh. Hello. This is our room. Look, we have. Ay, this. Ayan, oh, this a small bathroom. Toilet and bathroom, small from the door. A small toilet and a shower room.
Ah, go.
Okay. And we have a living room, Mama. We have a living room, look.
You have a visitor.
And our early visitor, she's awake so early. Our living room facing the Manila Bay. This is Duda. And
What's our view in the
Duda
morning?
and Duda.
Wow.
Wow. Look, the TV has been on overnight.
They also have their own aquarium in the TV.
Yan.
Papa.
Is our kitchen, coffee
Hindi.
time, and the refrigerator inside. Yan, there's a refrigerator.
Ipanagugot pa rin sa akin eh.
And our bedroom. Look, welcome to our bedroom. We have another TV set here. And a very comfortable, what's this, queen size bed.
Queen size bed.
A queen size bed. Also facing the Manila Bay.
This is the Manila Bay view room.
The Manila
Room
Bay
tour
view.
in Hotel H2O. Go.
Yeah, here's our, and look. There's another toilet and bathroom with
Toilet
a
first.
tub.
Toilet first. Toilet.
Toilet and a tub.
Bathtub.
Bathtub.
Later for the kids. And shower.